This is Tomer from Reliable Garage Door Services. Today we have a customer who have a garage door. Torsion springs, just a standard insulated garage door, but the garage door does not have a garage door opener, which kind of sucks. So he went around and built the brackets to hold the garage door opener. Also put a bracket on top which is going to hold the rail, just this piece over there. Something to look for when someone's doing something at your house is, does those brackets have to go into studs? A lot of times I come to houses and people doing jobs for them and they don't do a good job and they don't put those screws into the studs. What can happen is that the bracket is not going to be held good, and the bracket can fall together with the garage door opener on your head, on your car, and this is not something that we want to do. So as you can see, the garage door opener, it's a Chamberlain Belt drive. I have a MyQ app that you can control through your phone. I already built it. The reason we're doing Chamberlain because this customer is under budget. He still wanted the belt drive, and LiftMaster was a little bit too expensive for him, so we went with the Chamberlain. The big difference is the rail. As you can see, rail like you have over here, it's round, okay? So for garage doors with low ceilings, this rail won't work, and it's made out of pieces, so it's not as durable as a LiftMaster rail. That's the big difference. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. So it really depends, kind of what you want in your garage, and as long as you understand that, that's not a problem. Okay, so we are all set. Everything is in place. The rail is connected to the wall, which connected to the door, and here's the garage door opener. These have the option of the MyQ, which you can use it with your phone wirelessly, and it's a belt drive, 3/4 horsepower. It's a pretty strong opener. We'll have a garage door wall button over here, so you just press it, door goes up. As you can hear, or you can't, it's pretty silent. Really nice and smooth, and goes down. And now let me show you how the app works, because it's pretty neat. So I asked my customer to borrow his phone just to show you how does it work. So basically this is a Chamberlain MyQ. LiftMaster have the exact same option. As you can see, we already set it up, his garage door opener. You can set as many garage door openers as you want just to one app, and all the information can log into it. You can know when your garage door is open and when it's closed, and you can actually close it from your phone or open it. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do that. And as you can see, the garage open has closed, has opened, and it tells us on our phone what's going on right now in our garage. Okay, so now we're gonna do exactly the opposite, and we're gonna close it, and it gives that beeping sound and it clicks, just in case someone is here and we don't want him to hit his head. So you see, it tells us it's closing, and there we are. Thank you guys, and have a good weekend.